Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app. If you have been importing products or sourcing products from China using 168 Chinese shopping app and you find it difficult to understand what is 1688 plus member all about and how you can use it in order to get product at a very cheap price, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how you can use this plus member to get product discounted at a very cheap price of any product of your choice from any store that are in support of 1688 plus member. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and source for any product of your choice. We're going to use a particular product, like for instance, I'm going to use this product here as an example. So you just have to replicate the same to other store. So I'm going to click on this product link right here. So after you click on the product link, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. On the sales page, so on getting to sales page right here, then you have a plus member badge right here. Sometimes people do click on this icon here to cancel it. You don't need to cancel it. There is a way to use this in order to get full discounted of every product you purchase from the particular store using your plus member on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So if you care to know more about how you use it, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can use this particular 1688 plus member to get product at a very cheap price. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the next thing you want to do here on getting to the sales page right here, you check on the product picture, check on people rating from the top right here. This product here has about 30%, 30 plus rating right here. Now for you to use the plus member to get more product discount from this store, go ahead and click on here. And your plus member badge is going to appear right here. In the last time I've already used this. Now here you can use as many as possible. This depends on the number of the plus member given to you by 1688. Okay, if I swipe this way, I still have more on use right here. Now for me to use any of these, what we want to do here is to go ahead, click on here. So I'm going to use this 7 right here, click on it, and it has been applied. And here I need to make sure I purchase from this store within this time frame right here, which is about 24 hours. If I fail to use it within the 24 hours, then the coupon is going to expire, and as a result of that, I won't be able to use it for this particular store right here. Now for you to use it after you activate it right here, which is a 7 yuan from the product you purchase from the store, go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Now once you close the tab, so if I click on it again, you find out that we have activated a plus member already, which is TikTok right here. Is counting time right here that we need to make sure we purchase from the store within the 24 hours. So go ahead and close on that. The next thing I'm going to do, you can see the product price here stated to be 15.2 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and so right here, select the color, then select the size and select the quantity right here. Then from the checkout, you'll be given the analysis, and then you see where your plus member coupon is going to be active. Because I'm not going to place order for this particular store, but when you get there, you can just activate your coupon with plus member, and it's going to be removed from the total purchase. And as a result of that, you save more and get the product at a very cheap price on 1688. You can apply this logic to any store on 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.